The Targus USB-C Universal Quad 4K docking station is designed for professionals who want a clean, powerful desktop setup with serious multi-monitor capability. Its standout feature is the ability to drive up to 4K displays, transforming a single laptop into a full workstation environment ideal for productivity, content creation, data analysis, and multitasking at scale. With one USB-C connection, the dock instantly expands your workspace and eliminates cable clutter. Compatibility is a major strength of this docking station. It works seamlessly across Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS systems, making it a reliable choice for offices with mixed devices or users who switch between laptops. The universal design means you don't need a brand-specific dock, and setup is straightforward with stable performance once connected. Port selection is generous and well thought out. The dock offers a wide range of USB ports for keyboards, mice, external drives, webcams, and other accessories, along with Ethernet for fast and reliable wired networking. Audio ports support headsets or speakers, while power delivery keeps your laptop charged during heavy workloads. Everything is consolidated into a single hub that simplifies daily workflow and reduces desk clutter. Display performance is where this dock truly shines. Running multiple high-resolution monitors feels smooth and consistent, with sharp visuals and stable output across extended work sessions. Whether you're working with spreadsheets across multiple screens, editing media, or managing dashboards, the quad display support dramatically improves efficiency and comfort. Build quality is solid and professional, matching the expectations of enterprise and home office users alike. The dock feels durable, stays cool under load, and is designed to remain reliable even when driving multiple displays and peripherals at the same time. It's clearly built for long-term daily use, rather than casual setups. Overall, the Targus USB-C Universal Quad 4K docking station is an excellent solution for anyone who needs extreme screen expansion and versatile connectivity from a single laptop. Its universal compatibility, strong performance, and robust port selection make it a powerful centerpiece for a modern multi-monitor workstation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.